Hello, guys, and welcome to tutorials Microbit make code flashing heart.
Hello, my name is Michael and this is Yaroslav. So we'll try to finish, as Yaroslav said, flashing heart tutorial. The first one, we try to learn what is Microbit and how it works, and try to build a simple application. What can we use it? Let's start. So first of all, we should change open the browser. You don't need a real device. In the browser, you should input makecode.microbit.org. Yes, and then you see this page. So let's start with tutorial. Right? Yes. Yes.
Let's start the tutorial.
Okay, so what do we hear? As you see, this will be the result of our application, what we could do work. And yes, we can see. In this editor, you can see that in the top, you see example, the step by step how we can do this. And we try to implement the same steps, right? Let's start. So there are two or more sections. First section is where you can put your elements like show LEDs, and this big part, the big section is where's your code located.
And like the most programs say workspace.
Workspace, yes. And we have two first blocks on start and forever. So what does it mean?
On start means if we click here start, it will do the program, the code what you put in the block one time, then it will stop. If you put the block on forever, it will do it forever. It will do the block forever. Now, in this case, we need to make a heart.
Yes, you can draw your any image, and you have only 5 to 5
the heart.
points.
What's gonna be on the Microbit?
So from left side, you see that everything what you did just from right side, it's automatically restarted your simulator, and it tries to be close enough to your real device. Okay, good. So we did the first step, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one. And what does it say? Yeah, you need to input another one. So we want to make a movie, right? So it would try to first show you heart and then empty, nothing show. Okay, we need to modify our heart a bit. Yes, and you see it's automatically updated from the left side. And now we have hearts flashing. So
it says good. That it must be like this.
And yeah, you can compare the results from left and what they're expecting from you. And next step, what will be? I see.
We need to download the program what we made.
Yes, how it works. So we should save the file to your device. You should connect device through USB, right? And then just save the result of your application from browser. So click save. Yes, okay. Find from the left it's Microbit. Yes, so Microbit, and just save it. What can you see?
It's blinking. It's connecting the code.
So can you show to the people so they will see? And
after
the finish,
flashing heart.
Yes, cool. So now it works. Great.
Yeah.
So what can we do next? So it's kind of finished. Yes, so finished. But what can we do?
We can put more blocks in it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna make the heart smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Little bit.
Okay, so you try to draw the heart, but with less points. Okay.
Mm.
Now we see from the left that it automatically updates, and you see the result. Good. Okay, what we have here? Oh, now you have 3 slides to show. And you see that just from the last one, it's again started to show the first image. Right, cool.
Then I'm gonna copy this block.
Yes, so you don't need to create again and again. Oh, you can also zoom out, how it looks like. Oh, just click another second time, it will be remove the pixel. So don't worry to make mistakes, and you don't need to create from scratch. Okay, next. I see. So now we do reverse. Nice. Great. Can you drag your code too close to the corner, so we will see everything, and we can use all our space. Yes, so you see you can choose it.
Let's download it again.
Download it. Yes, so
wait.
we click save.
Save. Everything is okay. Now again save.
And we have this blinking part, and when it's going to stop, we can see our heart is working. Oh, sorry. Yes, and yes, that's all. So what can you do with this stuff? You can attach with your battery to your hat, or the jacket or sweater. For example, you have Christmas sweater, and yeah, also you can put this decoration somewhere. You can just put on your table, and it calms you down. Good.
Everyone who watched this, please click a like, and we'll see us on our next video.
Yes, probably will happen next video soon.
Yeah.
Bye.